Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut PC application. And first, we're going to duplicate the video. Right click on the video and select copy. And then you're going to paste it and add it as an overlay. And then you're going to go to the mask option. Hold on. I'm going to go to the video menu and select mask and add mask right here, and then choose the shape of the mask that you want. I'm going to use this circle mask, and then we're going to take another part of the video to cover unwanted object. I'm going to take this part, and then we're going to go back to the basic and then drag the mask to cover the unwanted object, and you can also adjust the size. Keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Once you adjust the position and also the size, go back to the mask, and now it's time to adjust the feather to make it look more natural. Alright, and you can also adjust the brightness right here. Go to the adjustment and you're going to adjust the brightness here if it's needed, but if you don't need to adjust it, just skip this tab. You can adjust the clarity and so on, and the saturation. Okay, I'm gonna adjust it a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, done, and I think it looks perfect now. And I know guys that this trick maybe can't be applied to all types of video, especially when the unwanted object is moving. And at least here I have shared to you the basic trick to remove unwanted object from your video. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove unwanted object from your video using CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!